Okay, so you can see that I missed this question, which is the following are not attitudes and approaches commonly associated with computational thinking, and you can see that here on this list of the components of computational thinking. Technological literacy, scientific method, data mining, and design thinking are all not on that list. Here it says a musician composes a song that reflects how she feels about a recent breakup. And what that actually was abstraction. It put decomposition because it seemed like she was breaking down how she felt, but actually she was just creating a new problem that implied how she felt. A new abstraction of how she felt, which you can see right here. It's a simulation of a problem that she had. Here you can see that Bulgar begins her writing process by determining the major categories he wants to address and propose and tackling those sections one by one. And I click algorithm design because it seemed like she was making a plan. However, it was actually decomposition because she was just breaking down each individual part of what she needed to do. And those were all the questions that I missed.